all my children, all of them. You know, they really helped me out in this YouTube journey. Oh, and even is it then for yesterday I collected my money. They paid me, you know. Hey, YouTube, who die here? I will go on YouTube. Mommy blogger.
Money,
Only mommy blogger based in Italy. Only proud mommy blogger based in Italy. Love you all. And God bless you. Ciao.
Ciao.
So guys, we are making meat pie. Good morning guys. So today we are in holidays. So I want to teach my girls how to make meat pie. They already know how to make, but I said today let's make meat pie for our merenda. So that is it. So guys, you know, our Pope left us, our Papa, you know. So today we are still mourning him, you know. Our meat pie is not that much, you know. Just for Miranda. Aí você troca. Yes, you're doing a good job. Mama is learning so fast because Mama like meat pie. No, it's Angel that like meat pie. Mama like buns. You buns no. She don't want to like anything snacks. Want kind much they like. Chinedu is all weather. You hold the plates on your hand. Hold the plates. Hold the plate on your hand. Then you rub egg. Petit bien. It's okay. It's okay so that we still have some here. Okay. Then you close it. Press it. Close. You know, this is your first time, so press very well. Okay. Then you remove the bravissima. Okay, then you now open it. Voila! Perfect! Mohosa. I like making snacks. Matabili one. Oh, yeah, say hello. Angel, now is your turn. So now is Angel's turn. Now say hi. Have you done it? Turn it. Piasta very well. So that the line will not. It's actually imagine that is line here. It's not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be smooth. See mommy's own. Okay. Oh yeah. Bruh. No, it's okay. Press it very well. Press it.
Mommy.
Say.
Bruh.
You don't take time, but oh, bulog it might not be perfect. So, guys, watch baby Alex. No, do the one you are doing before. In pasta. Bravissimo. Huna fungamo. One no all. Then you turn it. Gira. Ancora. Pasta, impasta. Okay, okay. So that is it. Bravissimo! Hey, clap for baby Alex! So my oven is on already. It's 180, 180 degree. So guys, I will start making our lunch. So here I'm not taking my sauce. I'm using this with egg. Onion. I'll be using half of it. Guys, you guys will understand, when you are making two things at a time. Over here I have my onions, dry onions. The taste is so good. The black pepper, sorry guys, just little. And then we have my panna. Okay. Let me put also pressé, So guys, I'll be cooking this pasta, you know. My water is already boiled. I'll be eating some because I have okra soup. So guys, let me take my vitamin. So good, you know. If you are 40 years, try and be taking vitamin C, you know. So guys, my pasta is ready. So guys, like this. To be honest, you see, I don't want to eat pasta. I don't. It's only pizza this way. Like to eat. So that is it. Our meat pie is ready. Voila. Can you see? Can you see? Your mommy can make meat pie. So yummy. Guys, it tastes the meat pie. Oh, I don't remember all the time, but remember when I read it. On this so delicious. On this so yummy. If I'm not cooking, meat pie be easy to lose away. Anything snacks, you know. That's my first. If I'm bruise away, where more, it was a good, it's giving.